payment is only one. It's only online like that, chat like that, but not to payment. WhatsApp, uy, Jay. My payment to me is only PayPal. That's my con to me. For what I want, uy, Loza. You're right. WhatsApp payments are visible, but I don't have your number. Do I? Yes, to me, I have a WhatsApp. It's only a WhatsApp unang chat. WhatsApp only a chat, but no have to payment one. But to me, only a payment to me is only a one. What PayPal like that, but WhatsApp is only a chat like that. The WhatsApp not to payment to eh. It's only a chat. The WhatsApp.